Hi. A great way to keep track of and plan your production is to use a storyboard. A storyboard is basically a rough drawing of the different shots and text which describes the sounds and details and the voiceover. It's like making a comic strip of your film to plan beforehand. You don't have to be an expert in drawing to make this. It's a way to think about, write and visualize your script. I have made an example of a storyboard with images from a video to show the structure and how to use it. There is also a blank template there to print and use. A good starting exercise for working with storyboarding is to use a short fairy tale, like The Three Billy Goats Gruff and the Troll. Divide the text in 4 or 5 parts and get small groups to work with each part, making a storyboard. Then each group presents their storyboards for the rest of the class, and you can discuss the choices of shots you've made to make the fairy tale into an effective story for film. It's first when you've made a well-planned storyboard for your science film that you are ready to go. The storyboard can also be used during filming to keep tracks on which shots you have done by simply crossing them over.